In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add things side by side in Notion. If you want to organize your Notion page in a cleaner, more visually balanced way, using columns is a great option. Columns let you place content next to each other instead of stacking everything in one long vertical list. This is especially helpful for dashboards, notes, project sections, and layouts, where you want information to be easier to scan at a glance. To get started, open the Notion page where you want to create the side-by-side layout. Move your cursor into an empty space on the page. This part matters because Notion needs a blank area to insert the column structure properly. Once your cursor is active in that empty space, type /column. You'll see Notion's command menu appear with layout options. From there, choose the option that fits your layout best. You can select 2 columns, 3 columns, or 4 columns depending on how much content you want to place side by side. If you are keeping things simple, 2 columns usually works well. If you are building a more detailed dashboard or compact layout, 3 or 4 columns can give you more control. As soon as you choose one of those options, Notion will create empty vertical sections on the page. These are your columns, and each one acts like its own area where you can add content. You can click inside any of those sections and start typing right away. This is useful if you are creating new text, headings, to-do lists, or other blocks directly in the layout. If you already have content on the page, you can also drag that existing content into the new columns. Just move the blocks into the section where you want them to appear. This is a quick way to reorganize a page without having to recreate anything from scratch. If something doesn't land exactly where you want it on the first try, just drag it again and adjust the placement until it looks right. When working with columns, it's a good idea to think about readability. Try not to make each section too crowded, especially if you are using 3 or 4 columns. Giving your content a little space can make the page feel much more polished and easier to use. That's all it takes to add things side by side in Notion. Thanks for watching.